Ebonyi State is really taking healthcare to the next level, and it's really exciting to see the progress being made so far. Do you know that civil servants in Ebonyi State are receiving completely free health insurance? And this is something no other state in Nigeria is currently offering. Like, this is one of its kind. That's right. If you're a civil servant in Ebonyi State, your health insurance is fully covered and you're entitled to free surgeries and medical interventions any day, anytime, courtesy of the state government. It's all part of the plan to ensure that civil servants, who are the backbone of the state's operations, stay healthy and continue driving progress in the state. Governor Francis Ogbonnanwifuru has made healthcare a top priority, and his administration has already started delivering results. He is not wasting time. For instance, the state recently distributed a huge amount of medical consumables and equipment to general hospitals across Ebonyi State. And when I mean recently, this is happening 2 days ago. This includes everything from surgical tools to everyday medical supplies, and they are all aimed at improving the health services available to people in the state. Now, imagine how much impact this is going to have on the local population. The general hospitals are now properly equipped to handle many medical challenges. So people won't have to rush to teaching hospitals for minor health issues. Teaching hospitals should be reserved for more serious referral-based cases, right? As Governor Nwifuru rightly pointed out, local hospitals can handle the basics and they now have the tools and resources to do so effectively. Dr. Moses Ekuma, the State Commissioner for Health, described the recent distribution of consumables as a major achievement in Ebonyi State. In line with the governor's vision, recruiting medical personnel and upgrading facilities have been a priority from day one of this administration. It's very clear that health is a huge part of the governor's manifesto, and it's heartening to see that promises are being fulfilled. Now, let's pause for a second because I have a quick announcement for you all. Ebonyi People TV is still here to cover all of your events, whether it's a birthday, anniversary, wedding, proposal, funeral, or any type of conference or meeting within or outside Ebonyi State. Do not hesitate to reach out to us. Call or WhatsApp the number now showing on your screen for top-notch event coverage, okay? Back to healthcare. One of the key things mentioned by the governor was the involvement of community leaders in monitoring the use of these medical supplies. This is a brilliant move because it ensures that resources are not mismanaged or diverted. With proper oversight, everyone in Ebonyi State will have access to these healthcare services, and that's something to be excited about, right? Just recently, medical equipment and supplies worth over 1 billion naira were purchased and distributed across the general hospitals in Ebonyi State. This is really a massive investment, and it highlights just how committed the government is to improving the state healthcare system. When you think about the fact that this is happening at a time when many states are struggling to provide even basic healthcare, it's clear that Ebonyi State is stepping up in a major way. And there's more. Governor Nwifuru's administration didn't just stop at supplying consumables. They are also planning to distribute medical equipment in the near future. This means the hospitals will not only have the supplies, but also the modern equipment to deliver quality care. It's a huge win for the people of Ebonyi State. So, as we look forward and ahead, it's clear that Ebonyi State is making incredible strides in healthcare. The state's focus on free health insurance, free surgeries, and improved medical infrastructure is a model for the rest of Nigeria. And while we are all excited to see how far this will go, one thing is certain, Ebonyi State is on a path of transformation, and healthcare is a big part of it. Stay tuned to Ebonyi People TV for more updates on this exciting development, and remember, we are here for all your event coverage needs. Call us today for the best video and photography services for your next event. See you in our next video.
I tell you the truth, it is only in Ebonyi State that a civil servant is enjoying free health insurance. There's no other place. I have connection to almost all the states in Nigeria. There's no other states that can say that. they do what we call co-health insurance, which simply means that the civil servant will pay some percentages, the government will pay some percentages, but here in Ebonyi State, we are paying the total 100% health insurance, free of charge, paid by the state government, by the approval of His Excellency Right Honorable Francis Ebonyi.